Hello dear children, today we are going to make memory drawing with the help of stick figures. Let's start the activity. Children, first we will draw the stick figure. What is a stick figure? Only we will draw a skeleton of the human body. So first oval, then we will draw two head waistline, then we will draw two head knee line, two head ankle line. Okay, then we will draw 1.5 head this elbow line and 1.5 head this wrist line. Okay, like this we are going to draw skeleton how we want the human figure, children. Then we will give the outer portion, means we are going to give the cloth and the realistic effect to this stick figures. Okay, so first I am drawing the neckline. Then if the person is wearing such a type of dress, so we can draw the dress. Okay, then the shirt line, shirt always little bit down from the waist. Then this sleeves line. You can use this figure for many things, means someone is playing the badminton or someone is throwing that bhala or anything, whatever you want. If you can use this pose for many different things. Now the person we are showing the lady. Okay, the person is wearing sari, so we are showing like this sari line, then this blouse line. Okay, it is a sari. Then here we can see the blouse. Okay, it is a waistline. Then we are giving the sari effect. Then here is a patli effect of the sari. Little bit legs we can see. We can show the hands like this. Don't do so much detail work, only we are going to we are doing the sketches. Okay, now we can show like this. The lady is holding some basket or something in her hand. If you want, you can show some workers are there, they are holding some ghamela type thing on his head. Like this pose we can use in a memory drawing. Okay, now this pose is a little bit different. The person is sitting on a chair or on a stool and he is working. Okay, different pictures. Now children, I am doing border to it. Children, we are going to color this stick figure drawing. For that we need brushes, water and watercolors. Okay, so let's start. First I am going to fill the skin color. So for that I am taking this orange. I have added more water in it and I am giving color only for a side. Why? Because our skin is also having two colors. One is lighter from where sunlight is coming and one is darker Now after completing skin color, children, we are going to show the dresses. Okay, now on this dress we can show some different type of design also. So if you want, you can fill it in a 2 colors. See, half portion I am showing with this blue color. In blue also we will do shading like this. We will leave little dark over here where we can see the fold. There we are going to leave for a second, show the folds, then leave for a second, and then you can merge the color. Now I am giving here down where the shadow appears, there I am giving dark color. Okay, one side I am giving dark. You can keep changing the brushes, children. If you are not confident, you can use smaller brush also. Now here we can see the folds because knee line is there, so definitely fold will occur. So I am showing fold, and then I will merge this tone together. So I will get a grey color pant. Now the sari, I am showing sari in a red color. Okay, and the cart, you all know cart means what. I am going to leave the cart. Okay, so red color sari we are showing. Let this fold dry for some time and see how it will look afterwards, right? Then I am giving here down where that sari's shadow will be there. Then children, take a little fatter brush and merge this color. So you will get pink effect of a sari. You can see the pink sari and you can see the effect of a fold also. We are giving cart and blouse effect. For that I use green color cart because red color sari, green color cart is looking nice. We will merge it. Like this, children, I am completing the remaining portion. Okay, so complete this picture. After detailing, our picture will look like this.